of humanity for Layeredge. First off, you connect to the wallet. Connect your wallet that you used in farming Layeredge. That's what's going to be the first thing. Then when you scroll down, you now see you have ZK Pass, right? So for the first one here, you can see this is from my badge because I have a badge. I'm sure a lot of you bought the badge. Okay, so this is for the badge. Then you have to get one of these, as you can see. Alright, so you need one complete one task for pro trader group. So one of these you have to do it. It can either be level 2 on Binance or 50 Uber rides, whatever the case may be. Or this is for Qcoin. You can see it there. This is level 2 for Bybit. This is level 2 for Coinbase, OKX, and all right. So now on this part, before you can do this ZK pass, right? You also need the extension. You have to download the extension. The extension is called ZK Pass Transgate, as you can see here. ZK Pass Transgate. Now you get the extension and sign up on the extension using just your wallet address. Okay. Now once you've done that, you now click on any particular one you want to use to verify. So for me, so I have level 2 on Binance and I also have level 2 on Bybit. But Bybit is a bit easier for me most times whenever I'm doing proof of humanity. So I'm just going to use this. The site is lagging, right? The site is lagging. So sometimes it might tell you that cannot fetch the data or whatnot. So also while you're doing this, make sure your what's it called? Your VPN is on. So for me, I'm using Tonebbe. As you can see from here, I'm using Tonebbe, and then I just connected it to Germany. You can connect it to any country of your choice. So make sure you have a VPN on, right? Now I've clicked on this several times. The site is lagging. So, but if it goes to the next page, you can see here now, fail to fetch. So most times I just keep clicking. I'll click and then I'll wait again to see if it's going to take me to the next page. Let's just hold on a bit since I've clicked again. Now, so normally if it takes you, you can see here again, request task info error. I'm going to click again. So normally once it takes you to the next page, like I say, you can use any of these options you have, any of these exchanges you have. All right. For me, I'm using Bybit. You don't necessarily have to use Bybit for yours, right? You can use anything you have from the options. So I'm just going to try. I'm just going to keep clicking and see if it's going to go over to the next page where I can verify. So most times, so when it takes you to your next page, and then you're already on level 2 on any of your exchanges, it simply means you have to, for the exchanges, there's level 1 KYC, where you submit your name, you submit your ID and all of that. Level 2 KYC on any exchange is where you get to submit your house address and probably any utility bill that you pay or something of such, or probably let's say a bank statement or something, yeah, that shows your house address exactly. So that is level 2 KYC. Now if you do that, then you can be able to use any of the options they gave you here. And so that's it. So once it takes you to the next page, because you have the ZK Pass extension, it is automatically going to show you what to do from there. From that point, you will see start. When you click on the start, it is going to verify on its own. Once it's complete and you close, it brings you back to this point, and then it tells you that you are verified. That is basically how to perform, to verify your proof of humanity for Layeredge. So that's it, guys. I'm going to drop the link for the extension, so you can click and download the extension.